Hello everyone, welcome to Maths New Vision. In this video, we will discuss this question from real analysis part B, and this type of question is asked many times in competitive exam. Let's see the statement, what is given in it. In the statement, we have given two sets, and on the basis of these two sets, we have given four statements in options, and we have to find true statement. Let's start. First, we will know about set A and set B. What are these sets? If we see set A carefully, we find this set A is range set of this function on this domain. And what is the range of this function? This is 0 to 1 open interval, and similarly for B, this is also open interval from 1 to 8. 1 to 8. Now, we can solve this problem with the help of graph S. Now, we are drawing graph of some functions. Here we take set A, which is 0, 1 open interval, here 1, here 0, and here we take 1 to 8. This is also open interval, and this is B set. We can draw lines as dotted lines for solving open interval S. Now come to first option. In first option, he says there is 1 to 1 onto functions from A to B. Means there exists function which is 1, 1 and onto. And with the help of graph, we can draw a line as, draw a graph of function as, and we can see this function is 1, 1 and onto both. Therefore, we can say we have some functions which are 1, 1 and onto from A to B. From this point of view, first option is correct. And in second option, he says there is no 1 to 1 and onto function from A to B. Means there is no function which is both 1, 1 and onto, but we have function which is both 1, 1 and onto. Therefore, we can say second option is incorrect. Now come to third option. In third option, what he says? In third option, he says there is no 1, 1 function from A to B which is onto. Means we have no function which is onto but not 1, 1. But with the help of graph, we can see here I am drawing a parallel line to domain line, a line which is parallel to domain line, and now make a graph as. This graph shows that, and this is a graph of a function which is not 1, 1 but onto. Why is not 1, 1? Because this line is parallel to domain line. There are lots of points in uncountable number of points in domain A which has same image. Therefore, we can say third option is incorrect. Now come to fourth option. What he says in fourth option? He says there is no onto function from A to B. There is no onto function from A to B which is 1 to 1. Means we have no function which is 1, 1 but not onto. But with the help of graph, we can see we have some functions which is 1, 1 but not onto. Like as. We can draw a graph of function S. This graph, from this graph, we can say this function is 1, 1, but this function is not onto. How? Why is not 1 2? This part, these are points of codomain which have no pre-image in domain. Therefore, we can say this option is also wrong. Now, this question completes. Thanks.